Good morning, sleepyhead. Time to rise and shine, my dearest Ben.
Can I play with my cars now? I finished eating everything already, Mom.
Oh, Ben. A little more care next time, please. The crumbs are everywhere.
Dad, are you ready to go yet? I am all set to leave. Let us just go.
Let me help you with this, my dear. We are a team, always.
Why does it take so long to get ready? I want to go outside now.
Good morning, Mr. Park. How are you doing today? It is a lovely sunny day. Oh, hello there, young Ben. You seem to be in a big hurry this morning.
Please excuse him, Mr. Park. He is just very excited for school today.
Hey, Ben, you have to wait in line with everyone else. That is the rule.
Everyone in a line, please. Let us all be patient, children.
This is so slow. I do not like waiting. I want to get to school quickly.
Ben, please put your toy away. It is learning time now, my dear.
May I please have the red crayon when you are done with it, Ben? I am still using it. You can pick another color right now, Mina.
Remember, Ben, sharing makes everyone happy. It is a kind thing to do.
Let us play with the ball instead. This game is boring. Come play with me. We are almost finished playing. You can join us for ball games later, Ben. Nobody wants to play my game. This is not fair at all. Wow, a new car! Nobody saw me pick it up. It is mine now.
How was school today, Ben? Did you have fun playing with your friends?
Look, Dad! I found this super cool car today. It is my favorite now.
That is a very nice car, Ben. Where did you find such a wonderful toy?
I found it near the big slide. Nobody was playing with it. It was just there.
It is important to be truthful about things, Ben. Always remember that. Time to wake up, my little one. The sun is already shining brightly.
Oops! I did not mean to do that. It just slipped right out of my hand.
It would be helpful if you could be more careful, Ben. Please try.
Do not worry, dear. I can help clean this up. We are in this together.
Bye, Mom! Bye, Dad! I am going to the bus stop now. See you later!
Good morning, Ben. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Park. I have to go to school now. Bye. Ben, you always try to go first. We all have to wait for our turn.
Good job, children. Waiting in line. Everyone will get on safely.
Has anyone seen the classroom helper student's special red toy car?
Oh no, they are looking for it. I should not have taken it. It was my favorite car. My grandma gave it to me.
We will find it, dear. Sometimes things just get misplaced, you know?
I feel really bad now. This car is not even mine to keep. Mom is so nice to Mr. Park. He looks very happy now.
Here you go, sir. I saw them fall right here. You saved my day. Thank you.
When Mom and Dad are nice, people smile. When I'm not, they don't. Are you going to share the ball today, Ben? We do not want any arguments. I have this car too. You can play with it first today, Leo. It is okay. Thank you, Ben. That is very kind of you. Let us all play together. It feels nice when they say thank you. Maybe I should do it more.
Oh, my old back. These bags are much too heavy for me today.
Mr. Park, can I help you carry some of these bags? They look heavy.
Why, thank you, Ben. That is very thoughtful of you. I would love that.
This one is not too heavy. I can carry it all the way home for you.
You know, a little kindness goes a long way. It truly does. Thank you so much for your help, Ben. Please take this apple.
Wow, thank you, Mr. Park. This is a really nice apple. You are very kind. Mom, I helped Mr. Park carry his groceries home. He gave me an apple.
That is wonderful, Ben. I am so proud of you for being so helpful.
I still have the other car. It is not mine. I should tell.
Today we will clean up the art corner. Who wants to be a helper?
I will help, Miss Hana. I can put the crayons back in their box now. I wish I could find my red car. I miss it very much.
They are so sad. I know where the car is. This is not right.
What if Miss Hana gets mad at me? I do not want to be in trouble.
Honesty is always the best choice, Ben, even when it is hard to tell the truth.
We will always love you, Ben. Being honest means we can always help you.
This car is nice, but it makes me feel bad when I look at it. I am sorry. I am really sorry. It is hard to say it out loud. I have to give it back. It is the right thing to do.
Miss Hana, I need to tell you something important. It is about this car. I took the red car. It was not mine. I am very sorry for taking it.
Thank you for being brave and honest, Ben. That takes real courage.
I am really sorry I took your car. Here it is. Will you please forgive me? My car! Thank you, Ben. I am so happy to have it back. It feels so much better to tell the truth. This is a good feeling. Come play with us, Ben. We are going to build a big castle in the sandbox. Yes! I will help you build the tallest tower ever. Let us work together. Do you want some of my apple slices, Mina? I have too many today. Waiting is not so bad when everyone is doing it together.
Good job waiting, Ben. You are being a great example today.
Thank you, sir. I am trying my best to be good. I really am trying. Hello, Mr. Park. How are you doing this afternoon? Have a good day.
I am doing very well, Ben. It is lovely to see you again today.
Mom, can I help you set the table for dinner tonight? I can get the plates.
Oh, Ben, that would be wonderful. Thank you so much for your kind offer.
I will make sure everything is in the right place, just like you taught me.
Look at you, Ben. You are such a big help to your mother tonight.
This is the apple Mr. Park gave me. It is very sweet. Want some, Dad?
That is so thoughtful, Ben. Sharing makes everything taste even better.
I like helping and sharing. It makes me feel warm and happy inside. Look, Mom! All my cars are in their proper places now. It looks...
You are growing into such a wonderful boy, Ben. I am so proud of you.
We love you very much, Ben. Keep being kind and honest, always.
What else can I do to help you, Mom and Dad? I want to do more now.
Thank you, sweetie. You are already helping so much just by being you.
Good morning, son. It is a brand new day. I am ready for new adventures. My bed looks so neat now. Feels good to keep things tidy. This cereal is delicious, Mom. I am eating it all up very carefully. Let me help you, Mom. I can carry these plates to the kitchen sink for you.
Our Ben is really growing up, Kasy. He is becoming a fine young man.
Good morning, Mr. Park. Your flowers look very beautiful today.
Thank you, Ben. That is very kind of you to notice. Have a great day.
We are so happy to have you as our son, Ben. You make us proud.